just real holy through there. Stuff that wants your suspension. Yeah, hold up. That one rock that, if you peek out your window, it's right behind, right on the inside of your tire there, is grabbing your axle on the way through.
How much room do I have to back up?
A lot. 6 feet. If you can bend passenger, you might be able to ride up on it. I think you got to get that tire to climb that instead of falling down the side. Nice. You can straighten out a little bit. Yep. Yep. Nice. Okay, you pass that. You're all good. That's actually a good line for your driver tire right there. It's going to go onto a block and just keep coming up. Yep. Yep. Oh, it's so close.
Some metal contact somewhere.
You got your front axle shackle is hitting the rock. You're almost over it. Yep.
Am I gonna clear the stump?
Yep.
On my passenger?
Just keep coming right at me. I pushed you over. So reset, spin it, passenger, back down with them pushed over to passenger side if you can. Just a little bit. You got like 2 feet down there. Okay, and then come back at me. Hard as you can, driver. Yep. Nice. You're past the stump, so it's just a clean climb out. Give it a little bit of juice and you're good.